And then last question, how important is coffee?
What kind of a question is that? Coffee is life. Yes, seriously. And I don't necessarily drink it for myself as much as I drink it for the good of the people around me.
I'm trying to sort this whole puzzle because remember I was telling you I used leftover materials to do our office. I'm testing the CNC, I'm testing the edge bender at the same time, and plus it's for our first office. Most likely that's going to be changed like every 6 months from now on, so I don't mind using leftovers. But in using leftovers, I have different color material, so I cannot really guide myself on the color. Then another thing that I have done and I didn't take into account is I have mixed assemblies together. So now I have cabinets that have exactly the same name, but one cabinet is on elevation 1, one cabinet is on elevation 3. So on the tag I have the same name except for the elevation. So I think I have them all separated, but then I see that I have twice of the same cabinet number 26, let's say, but because it's two elevations put together. So I'm trying to sort it out. These are all only the drawer boxes. So it says drawer box 4, left side. Then I have the front, I have the right side, but I'm missing the back. Because you start sorting them out, and then you go like, oh, I don't have any more pieces, but I need like 6 more, but they're here somewhere. It's just that again, it's a puzzle. So
So if somebody's going to spend money on a remodel, they should get a lifestyle change as well. They should get a wow factor. They should get increased functionality. They should get new patterns and new ways of using their space, more functional ways, because I think that that's what helps our brain justify basically our costs and our budgets. And if you're just gonna do something that doesn't really give you that impact, I think that a few weeks down the line, you're basically gonna realize that it wasn't really worth it, and it hasn't had any big impact on your lifestyle and on the way you utilize your space.
there you go. Lego completed. So now we finished Lego, and usually that's how it goes. Now we start Jenga. Right, because you remove this and you remove that. That's what it's called? Jenga?
Jenga, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. So now I know that 5 pieces make one drawer. So I take all the way to here, and then the Lego is being assembled. And it goes something like, I'm just gonna mark them like this. This. And this, we do it with wood glue. We clamp it, and 10 minutes after it's been clamped, you can take it out of clamps, and everything is perfectly square, lined up, ready to get the tracks and put in the cabinet.
I think that that's the best way to describe it, a lifestyle change, because we all look at once in a while at changing the way we live, changing our home. Our home grows with us, grows with our family, changes with our family. Our expectations of our home change all the time. So that's why a lot of people feel the need to move furniture around, to repaint, because they're looking for that way of rewiring their brain into finding a motivation to work, finding a motivation to basically function every day, and finding a way to spend their money that will improve their lifestyle.